All right, here we go. This is another watch list. Today is Thursday, February 16th, and I'm getting you guys ready to go into Friday, February 17th. Watch list is going to start off today with AMAM. Embrix, I think it might be called. Biopharma currently at $2.49 a share, holding the levels from yesterday. Relative volume 4.3, 35 cents trading range. Market cap 107 million. AMAM. Positive data for prostate cancer therapy was dropped for AMAM. Okay, next on the list we got BOXD, Boxed Inc. All right, Boxed is at 69 cents a share. Highs today of 77 cents a share. Relative volume is 3.9. Average trading range 8 cents. $53 million market cap. The moves are interesting to me for sure, and unfortunately, they recently filed for a shelf offering. However, they also announced a new customer on February 6th. 200-day moving average is definitely coming downhill, but substantially higher than where we're at. So this is BOXD. Next on the list, ASXC, a census. Popping off previous list a while ago, week or two or three ago, currently at 96 cents a share. I'm interested in the test of $1 with this stock. February 14th, they announced they are collabing with the Google Cloud unit to help them with their software. Next on the list, previous from yesterday, OSUR, coming in off good earnings, and they announced they are cleaning up their workforce by 11%. This is OSUR currently at $5.81 a share, relative volume 2.4, 31 cents trading range, $421 million market cap. OSUR. Next on the list, we got NRDS, Nerd Wallet Inc. Room to 21 is possible in my eyes. That's just another stock from yesterday. You can see I'm interested on this one because of its IPO levels that are becoming into play. Looking for about $21, $21.50 maybe. Not much higher because that might become a point of resistance, but after that it could really gas up too if it wanted to. So just keeping my eyes on it a little bit here. Next on the list, relative volume 1.7, 95 cents trading range, $1.4 billion market cap. Next on the list, BTCY. Biotricity coming in at 84 cents a share. Relative volume 1 today, 7 cents trading range, $43 million market cap for BTCY. Yesterday they dropped their earnings per share, and sales beat for BTCY. Next up, this was on the list yesterday, Cisco, CSCO, Cisco Systems. Holding the range from the gap up, consolidating higher than the pre-market and post-market of yesterday. Possible play of up to 52 or 53, give or take, to see if any of this gets retested. If it does, room to 55 here, it looks like it's definitely possible. 54, give or take, 54.20, maybe I would say, for CSCO. Relative volume 3.9, $1.09 trading range, $209.4 billion market cap. Okay, that's CSCO. Next up, DocuSign, DOCU. Currently at $66.09 a share. Announced they'll be laying off 10% of the workforce. This is a second layoffs from DocuSign. This will cost them approximately $25 million of charges. Relative volume 3.3, $3.38 trading range per day, $13,400,000,000 market cap, DocuSign, DOCU. Next on our list, host HS. Wow, I've been on a max chart this whole time. Hope you guys had fun with that. HST. No, not the whole time. I changed it. Okay. HST here is host hotels and resorts. They just dumped off of decent earnings. Coming up here currently at $17.35 a share. Support area, it looks like around the $17 range. And now, since they just dumped off their decent earnings, there is now a gap to fill, so it may be in play. Could be a good spot to look into interesting trades, we'll say. Next up, we got CEG, Constellation Energy, earnings. Miss on earnings per share, it looks like. Yep. Expected 46 cents. Came in with 10 cents. Yeah, a little bit of a miss here for CEG on their earnings. Plus, they're selling securities. I don't know. The chart looks crazy right here, how it's riding under this, but it might be getting sold off heavy back down. So we'll see for CEG. Very interesting. This one is one of my favorites, I think. I don't know. Maybe it's a good play. Maybe not. WBD, Warner Brothers Discovery. The Harry Potter game is killing it for them. They have a gap to fill around $16.35 or a breakout around $17.50, $17.60. Could be possible. WBD, relative volume 36.36, excuse me, 70 cents average trading range. $37,100,000,000 market cap. Okay, next up, just showing you these last two here, because they're in some pretty good support areas, I would say. PG, Procter Gamble, relative volume 0.77, $2.20 trading range, $323.5 billion market cap. And the last on the list today, showing this support area as well, Walmart. Walmart 144 a share, relative volume 0.15, $2.64 trading range, and market cap $389 billion. That is Walmart. That's the last for our list today. And thank you for checking in. I hope this helps you guys. I hope you have a good trading day tomorrow, Friday. Happy Friday. Indeed, it will be. God bless you guys. Thanks for checking in. Have a good night.